Hello and welcome to my latest video. My name is Anita Wong and I'm going to show you today how to go live on your Instagram account. So it's the same whether you have a professional account on Instagram or a personal account on Instagram, you will go live in exactly the same way. Now there are two ways to access the tools. The first way is to go to your profile and click the plus button at the top, and as you can see we'll have the drop down. I would say this is the easiest way. However, if you were on the home key, you could press the plus button at the bottom and scroll to the right till it says live, and then you're all ready to go. I'm going to go back and go the original way. So go to your home profile page, click the plus button, and then you'll see that you have the live option. Go ahead and click the live option. And while you're doing that, don't forget to click the subscribe button to this channel because there'll be more Instagram how-to videos coming. So now you've gone live, the first thing you want to do is decide, am I going to go live to everybody, or do I want to practice the live feature to see how it goes and have a private conversation? To do that, you click this little eye character here and you can see that you can have public live stream, or you can practice, so go live by yourself or with others to practice. So the practice is really what it says, a practice, but you can bring other people in so that you can have a go at all the different tools. All you need to do is click go public and you're all set. So set the audience. Now you need to add your title. So you can go ahead and click the top lines and then you can add your title. So I've gone ahead and entered my title. All you need to do then is click done and then click the blue button and it's set your title. Now, one of the features inside of Instagram Live that you may not be aware of is that you can actually pre-schedule this live stream. So you can go ahead and click the calendar and you can actually pre-schedule the time. So the start time you can see, you can either do it today or tomorrow or the next day and the next day and the next day. And as you can see, it does go on for up to 3 months, so you can pre-plan your live stream and then promote it before you go live. I'm actually just going to go live now to show you how to do it, so I'm not going to do that and I'm just going to cancel that out. But all you have to do is click that calendar button and you're all set to go live. Then all you have to do now is click that go live button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around, I'm going to pick it up. So go ahead and click go live and it's going to check your connection and then it's going to say that you're live. So now that we're live, we're all set to go live, and what Instagram's going to do is it's going to tell people that we're going live. Just while it's doing that and before people join, I'm going to go through the sidebar. You can see that there is this picture option. So that means that you can add a picture to your live stream so that people can see the picture. So you can go ahead and add that and then you can discuss something about the picture maybe. If you want to stop sharing the picture, just click stop sharing. You can mute your mic and turn your mic on. You can turn your camera on and you can turn your camera off. You can turn your camera to look the other way so it's facing forward, or you can come this way. As you can see, I've had somebody join. Hi Antoinetta, I'm just doing a little recording here. So Antoinetta's joined and you can see that I can wave at her if I want by clicking the wave button, and I've waved at her to acknowledge that she's there. I can also change my appearance using the filter option, and there you can have the filter option all the way along the bottom. If I went like that, it would make me look completely different. So you can play around with the filters as and when you wish, and that's pretty much how you do it. As you can see there, Antoinetta's waved back to me, so you can have a really good two-way conversation with people when you are doing a live stream. Another thing quickly to mention is that I can write a comment in the comments bar, so I can say ask any questions, and that will show up for everybody. And if I post that, I've actually posted that and people can see that. And then if people do ask a question, I can click on the question tab and they will show up in there. Also, if I want to share it, I can click the share tab and I can share that to individual people as well to get them to come and join me. And of course, I can add people to my live stream if I want to by clicking the plus, the little line with the person. If I click that, you can see that I can invite people to join, not only people who are on the live stream, but also adding in a name there, I can actually invite them to join me on the live stream. Okay, so when you're finished with the live stream, all you do is click the cross at the top right hand corner. So thanks Antoinetta for joining me. I'm going to close it off now. So click the cross at the top and it says, are you sure you want to end your live stream? Click yes, and it will show you who's joined your live. You can view your insights, you can discard the video and you can share. If you click share, it's actually going to send that into your Instagram account, into the video area, and you'll be able to go back to that and have a little look. So here I'm going to write a caption. So once you've done that, you can tag people if you want to, you can say your location, you can add it to a series, you can add a fundraiser advance, and then go ahead and click share, and it will share that to your account. So if I go to my profile now and I'll refresh, so there you can see now that the video is there. And what they've done is they've added it like a reel. Now, let's just say if you don't like your live stream and you did upload it and then you've changed your mind, all you have to do is click on it,
stream, so that people
go
can
to the
see
three
the
dots
picture,
and click delete.
say that you're live.
And then you'll be left with your other videos and other updates on here. So that's how you go live on your Instagram account, from finding where to access the live stream, to setting your privacy settings, to setting a date if you want to pre-plan it, and also adding the title. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about going live on Instagram, then drop them in the comments below this video and I'll be sure to answer them. My name's Anita Wong and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.